Good morning. Okay, today I will present about my C programming project. Okay, my project title is programming of material tensile test. Okay, first of all, introduction about C programming. C programming is a well-known computer programming language. This program was developed by Dennis Richter at Bell Laboratories back in 1972. This program, C language program, is a very basic program, but it is very useful because it's the first choice in operating system development. In as a mechanical engineering, the C language program is very important in mechanical working field. When we need to do a simulation, these programs will easy us to design our project, design our material selection of project, and whatever test we can easily run by using simulation. Therefore, this program is very useful and used worldwide because of its efficiency and flexibility. Okay, now we come to a problem statement. In this project, I choose material tensile test as my C program project, where I will create a program about a tensile test where it will easy our engineers to carry out a material tensile test. Okay, what is tensile test? Tensile test is a purpose to evaluate tensile strength of a material, where the sample will be pulled in a will be pulled until failure in a relatively short period at a constant rate of force. In my program, I will find allocation of the sample with using two different materials. So I use it. So I use Hooke's law to find my allocation of the sample root, where I taking account Young modulus of material, force applied, diameter and length as my parameters. Uh, Hooke's law is equal to stress equal to Young modulus times strain, where the stress equal to F over A, where F is force and A is area, and strain is the elongation over original length. So finally, I come out with the equation. Elongation is equal to F times 4, sorry, where elongation is equal to 4 times force times length over pi diameter square times Young modulus. Objective. Objective of the project is to use C program language in solving problem regarding in material engineering field. Second objective is to find the elongation of the sample of two different material with different condition of force applied, diameters and length of the sample. Third objective is to optimize the minimum elongation of the sample root of two different materials. Okay, now methodology. As I told, in this program, I use Hooke's law as my equation to find the elongation of the root by taking Young modulus and force and diameter and length as the parameters of the project. As I say, Hooke's law is equal to my elongation is equal to my elongation is equal to 4 times F times L over pi d square times E. In this project, I use two different material, which is mild steel and aluminium, with Young modulus of 210 gigapascal and 69 gigapascal respectively. I use material with major difference in Young modulus so that I can find the relationship between Young modulus and elongation. My second parameter is force applied to pull the sample until failure. The force is applied to the sample in constant rate with increasement of 400 kilonewton. My initial force is applied is 400 kilonewton and will be increased in 8 interval of with constant rate. Thus, my maximum force is 2400 kilonewton. I fixed 2400 kilonewton as a maximum value so that my sample will not failure or achieve plastic deformation. This is because the main idea of my project is to find the minimum of the sample. That means the best material that and parameters that can withstand that have a maximum tensile strength. My next parameters is diameter of the sample rod, where the diameter is in the range of 5 to 10 millimeters, in range of 10 millimeters until 25 millimeters with 4 values. My last parameters is the length of the sample rod, where I use 4 values also, which is 85 millimeters, 100 millimeters, 150 millimeters, and 130 millimeters as my sample rod length. Okay, this is my flowchart of my program, where the identifier is force with the initial value of 400 times 10 to the power of 3, where the increment is 400 10 to the power of 3. My second identifier is the diameter with the initial value of 0.010 with the increment of 0.05. My third identifier is length with the initial value of 0.085 with the increment of 0.015. Then I will display of my elongation and with the minimum elongation. Okay, this is my program. Okay, this is my results. From the result, I will conclude that my minimum value of elongation is 0.0033 meter, where the least elongation with the Young modulus of 210 gigapascal and with the least force applied force 400 kilonewton and with the largest diameter of 25 millimeter and the shortest length with the 85 millimeter respectively. From the design, I can conclude that the elongation is radially proportional to the force applied and the length, while inversely proportional to the Young modulus of the material and diameter squares. Finally, we come to conclusion. By carrying out these studies on writing program to solve engineering problem, I strengthened my ability and knowledge in computer programming and how to write a program by using C programming language. The objective is achieved, that is to solve the problem by using program and flowchart. Additionally, C program is a good programming software that is good for beginners and to adapt in a computer programming field. Thank you.